And I use them a lot for people that say, oh, I can't, there's nothing out there. I just can't. I had a brother that used to tell me that all the time too. Right. So I brought him down here. Look, he's been on meth for 15 years. Man, I know what his problem is. He likes to smoke meth and play video games and instead of going to work. So anyway, I said, well, come on out here. And I brought him and his wife. I brought my nephew and his girlfriend, all of them out here, moved them out to my house. And look, what I'm going to do is get you a little apartment in town. I'm going to pay $1,200 a month. You're all four going to live there. It's a 2 bedroom, so you're good. And I'm going to pay the bills for the first month. Right. And that's it. After that, you're on your own with it, but I'm going to give you a job to where you're going to make plenty of money to do that if you go to work. So what I did is I went and I rented a commercial refrigerator, right, from just Restaurant Supply. Had them drop it off in my backyard for about $280 a week, right? Because it's a weekly rental. Anyhow, went to theroseemporium.com and ordered 2,000 long stem red roses and had them delivered to the house. All right. I put them in some Home Depot paint buckets, right? 100 roses in each bucket. So you got 2,000 roses spread up into 100 different buckets. And I tell the four of them, well, you guys take turns and you split up and you go to this sector, that sector, and this sector in town. And you go to every bar and restaurant in that area. You do it between 2 and 4 p.m. and you go speak to the manager or the bartender that's working at the time. And you ask them permission to come back during the peak hours of 8 to midnight, right? You always give them a free rose when you go in. They love it. They say yes, right? Now here's the deal. This is what I told them. Now, look at the numbers on this, man. This sounds stupid. This is one of those ideas you're like, no way, dude. Really? Yes, way. You could do this today if you wanted to. You could go do this shit. The thing is, when you see the people to do this, you don't respect them because the type of people that generally do this are not doing this as a business. It's a hustle, right? If you make yourself respectable, like yourself, nice polo shirt, cool cap on, cool Kangol cap on, you know what I mean? Regular folks don't even know about the Kangol, man. They don't know, but you do. You got a little style, got a little bit of pizzazz to you. You could walk into a place with a vase or a basket or whatever full and actually look like you're doing business or providing a service, not being a bum. Like the other people looking like bums out there trying to get your money. So now check this out. So I sent them out and I said, how about this? Each bucket has 100 roses. You're going to sell them for $5 a piece. When you finish your bucket, you come back to me and I want $50. You give me $50 and I'm going to give you another bucket and go do it again. Now, so if you do the math on that, all right, that's $500 a bucket. That's $500 a bucket they're going to make, right? They're going to make $450. They're going to give me $50 to get another one. I gave them that up front. I let them take that bucket up front. Now, remember, if I lose it, it only cost me $25. I got them 25 cents a piece. So it only cost me $25, for those roses if they burn me. If they go and sell the roses, they make $450. You see? And then you turn around and do it again and again and again. It's about them making the profit. Now, I still doubled mine. Remember, I paid 25 cents a piece for them. I paid 25 cents a piece for 2,000 roses. I sell them to them for 50 cents. I'm still doubling my money. And I didn't do any of the work.